Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we bring you in-depth reviews of the latest tech products. Today, we have an exciting monitor to talk about, the Viewsonic Elite XG271QG. This monitor promises an immersive gaming experience with advanced ergonomics. Let's dive right in and see if it lives up to the hype. First, let's go over the specs. The Viewsonic Elite XG271QG is a 27-inch gaming monitor with a resolution of 1440p, a lightning-fast 1 millisecond response time, and an impressive 240 Hz refresh rate. It features NVIDIA G-Sync technology for tier-free gaming and NVIDIA Reflex for reduced latency. With display HDR 400, you can expect stunning visuals and realistic contrast. Plus, it comes with RGB lighting and advanced ergonomic features. Now, let's talk about the design. The monitor boasts a minimalist design with slim bezels, giving you an edge-to-edge viewing experience. It also includes a built-in mouse bungee, RGB ambient lighting, sight shields, and a reinforced headphone hook, enhancing your gaming setup. The stand is fully adjustable, offering comfort for marathon gaming sessions. In terms of connectivity, the XG271QG is versatile. It supports a range of devices, including laptops, PCs, Macs, PlayStation, and Xbox, thanks to its HDMI, USB, and DisplayPort inputs. So, how does it perform in real-world scenarios? Well, I've been using this monitor for a while now, and I must say, the gaming experience is exceptional. The 1440p resolution and 240 Hz refresh rate deliver crystal-clear visuals and ultra-smooth gameplay. Thanks to G-Sync and Reflex, there's virtually no screen tearing or input lag. Now, let's talk about those advanced ergonomics. The monitor's stand is fully adjustable, allowing you to find the perfect viewing angle for your needs. This is crucial for long gaming sessions or extended work hours. In conclusion, the Viewsonic Elite XG271QG is a top-notch gaming monitor that offers a premium gaming experience. With its high refresh rate, low response time, and advanced technologies like G-Sync and Reflex, it doesn't compromise on comfort either, thanks to its ergonomic design. While it's currently unavailable on Amazon, if you can get your hands on one, it's definitely worth considering. That wraps up our review of the Viewsonic Elite XG271QG. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Product Critique for more tech reviews. If you have any questions or want to share your thoughts on this monitor, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.